How do I create a list of random numbers without duplicates? I tried using random.random 0, 100, but some numbers were the same. Is there a method/module to create a list unique random numbers? Note: the following code is based on an answer and has been added after the answer was posted. It is not a part of the question, it is the solution.
This will return a list of 10 numbers selected from the range 0 to 99, without duplicates.
You can use the shuffle function from the random module like this. Note here that the shuffle method doesn't return any list as one may expect, it only shuffle the list passed by reference.
You can first create a list of numbers from A to B, where A and B are respectively the smallest and greatest numbers in your list, then shuffle it with Fisher-Yates algorithm or using the Python's random.shuffle method.
Linear congruential pseudorandom number generator. O1 memory OK operations. This problem can be solved with a simple linear congruential generator. This requires constant memory overhead, 8 integers, and at most 2, sequence length, computations. All other solutions use more memory and more compute. If you only need a few random sequences, this method will be significantly cheaper. For ranges of size n, if you want to generate on the order of n unique k sequences or more, I recommend the accepted solution using the built-in methods random.sampleRange n, k, as this has been optimized in Python for speed. Code. Usage. The usage of this function random_range is the same as for any generator, like range. An example. Sample results.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.